Hi, my name is Anthea, and I've come to Gemstone to present my talent, that is singing. And I hope that I sing to impress you people. So please go to Gemstone, Gemvote, whatever, and vote. Today I'm going to present my song, which is by Whitney Houston, and it's called I Have Nothing. Share my life, take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you. Take my love, I'll never ask for too much, 'cause all that you are and everything that you do, I don't really need to look very much further. I don't want to have to go where you don't follow. I'll be holding back again. There's passion inside. I can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. But don't make me close one more door. I don't want to hurt anymore. Stag in my arms if you dare. I must start imagining you there. Don't walk away from me. Yeah. I have nothing, nothing, nothing.